you see how it looks outside today. Trying out this new feature on my phone. Whew, it's bright. Very, very, very bright. Pretty skies out. Very pretty. There we go. Let me zoom in. Can I zoom in? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Oh, it's a puppy. Let's see. You can hear the cicadas. This is what I'm looking at. It's very bright. Very bright outside. Oh! Let's go see this puppy over here. Let's go see Blue. Ooh, I love dogs. I have a cat. Her name is Sassy, but I'm mostly a dog guy. Let me go say hi to the puppy. He's a big old puppy. He's a Rhodesian Ridgeback Pit Bull mix. Hiya, puppy. Hiya, boo boo. Don't be scared. Just me. Come here. Aw. Why are you scared? You know it's me. He's right under there. He's like, nope, you're bothering my nap time. Oh wow. Look at this. I'm not sure what happened to it. I wonder if I can take a picture of it. Hold on. Look what I found, guys. Oh, poor thing. Oh. Let me pick it back up. I showed a dazzling raven. She's out here somewhere. Yeah, this is pretty nice out. A little cloudy, but that's Florida for you. All right, puppy. Oh, I wonder if I can get this on video. It's a little tiny lizard. See, can you spot him? Oh, he left. But there's the puppy. There's Blue. Hi, Blue. Let me leave him alone. What else can we say? Not much to see out here. But if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And if you like this type of stuff, let me know. Sorry for the heavy breathing. As you can tell, I am not a skinny person. I am fat. So I breathe heavy. And I'll see you all on the next trail. On the next video. Don't know what it'll be. But peace.